What's that, John? Welcome to this week's vlog. Hi, you guys. Hey. We're on our way to the Perkins house. I feel like maybe I'll just start every vlog with I'm on my way to the Perkins house.
So far.
Desi and I are filming a video together today that I didn't really think about until just now, and now I'm like, oh my god, I don't know if I'm ready for this. We're going through a folder of pictures that she has in her phone of all of the worst moments, basically. The worst of the worst. Like, you know, with your best friend, you send, like, you know, ugly pictures back and forth to each other. Wow, look what just happened to me. Look how shitty this is. Those photos are all the ones that we're gonna be talking about today. She's saved them in a folder over the past however many years we've been friends. It's actually been like 5 years now, huh? Mm-hmm. Wow.
Have you ever sent a picture of your poop to her?
No.
It's not like that.
That's too far.
Okay, cool.
That's too far. You guys, you know you love me. You know you love me. Don't bark at me. Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am?
Ma'am?
Yep. I'm getting zipped into my top, please.
Ma'am?
Hold, please.
What a princess. She's so regal. What a princess. Look at her. Oh. Hi, Nolly. Hi, Nolly. It's inappropriate.
It's appropriate for you. Katie, we need your audio.
Can I get some high audio from Katy? Can I get some low audio from Desi?
You don't
fake it.
No, I'm not trying.
Don't fake it. They hate me because they ain't me.
Is that what it is?
I hope you got that on camera.
That's what it is.
I hope you got that on camera.
All right, filming went well. I think filming went good. Now we're gonna go eat. I think we're going to Joey's Woodland Hills. Very cute. Very good.
Do you want to share what just happened?
All right, so Steve just asked, we're at Joey. Bonus scene to the video here.
Bonus scene to John's last upload.
What's the takeout etiquette? She said no tip required. I think my problem with when you ask is you kind of get like very sexual. I got very intimate. I was like, so what do you think is like a good tip?
Oh my god.
Right? Didn't he do that a little bit? A little bit of
John,
sex.
welcome to my life. Welcome to my life, John.
Did you get a little aroused, John?
I was just like, wow, Steve, okay, a little bit of game to you.
Oh, God. You guys, my Warby Parker glasses came in and I have to return them, unfortunately. So this is the one that I got my prescription in. I just wanted like a square black frame. And the prescription just feels so off. I can't even hold them on my eyes for longer than a second. I know sometimes you have to adjust, but my other glasses are the exact same prescription, and I don't know if these are too curved, but I'm just like, you know what? No. So I'm sending them back, and then these ones I got with no prescription, and they sent them with a prescription also. So unfortunately, I have to send them both back.
Pretty cool.
What's today? Today is Saturday, and we are on our way to Casey's. We are getting styled today because we're doing a red carpet with MAC Cosmetics on Monday. We're going to the Maleficent premiere. There's a cocktail event tomorrow night, and then on Monday there is the premiere from Maleficent. And this time around, so I don't know if you guys saw John's NARS, the video he filmed, well, not the NARS video, but the video he filmed when we were in Italy with NARS, where he refused to dress up.
Participate.
He refused to participate and bring, because it was like a black tie formal event in Italy, and he did not want to participate, and so when we got there, he was scrambling.
So I'm not scrambling now.
So this time around,
I brought in professional help.
This time around, I told him, I said, we're just gonna have Casey help us out. Do you know what you want to wear?
What do I want to wear?
Yeah. Do you have? I have zero idea. I just said, Casey, please help me. I don't know what direction I want to go in. You know, red carpet. I'm kind of like John in the sense that I don't want to feel overdressed.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But I know if red carpet is typically a type of gown, but I don't want to wear a gown.
Can I tell you my concern?
What?
It's red carpet, but it could be like we're still sitting in a movie watching a movie.
You're sitting in a movie. Can you imagine going to the movies in a gown?
Yeah,
like
who
people,
does that?
Watch out.
They better watch out.
They better watch out. People do this, you guys. I was like, wait, so I'm going to a movie and I'm wearing a gown and heels.
It's so unlike me, you know?
Very not something I would do, but you know, you gotta participate with the event.
I asked her to keep it street style. That's what I asked for. Like,
Yeah.
I still want to have my personality involved here. I
Right.
don't want to wear anything that's like not me.
You want to be fast, fun, and friendly.
Fast, fun, friendly, a little bit street style, maybe like, you know, edgy.
Yeah. I'm thinking red carpet, maybe a shorter dress, so I'm not wearing a long dress in a movie.
I like that.
I don't know.
You could be cold in the movie though.
I'm always cold in the movies. I mean, I don't know. What if it's a whole different experience when you're going to a premiere? It's not.
I'm gonna call it a premier.
A premier.
That's what I'm gonna call it.
Okay, John, you do that.
Yeah.
You do that.
Again,
All right.
We'll see you guys at the styling for the premier.
Are we starting with John or me?
We're starting with you.
Okay. Ooh. That's cute.
My drip, dog.
What?
My drip.
This is so cute.
Wait, look at this whole
I
fit.
die.
You're putting this on.
I love I actually love the sleeves.
Wait, really?
I love the
so
sleeves.
glad.
I mean, I already told you how I feel about the belt. Wow, this looks small.
I really just loved this purple
Oh, that's
color.
pretty.
And there's a high slit.
Purple moment.
Yeah, shoulder blazer dress with the train.
Ooh,
Yeah, we have all the
cute.
options. Get
Okay.
naked.
Okay,
Let's go.
okay. It's the first dress.
Cute.
We love it. The only problem is
That could be a vibe too, though.
we had to tap out.
Stunning. Okay, next dress.
Let's breathe again, huh?
This is so pretty.
Yeah, I think this one's my favorite, actually.
Ooh, she's been saying that about everyone. That's been happening so far.
It's red carpet. Check.
you feel?
Are you wearing velvet? We said in the car you were not going to wear crushed velvet.
I didn't say that. I would never say.
Okay, how cute are we?
Couples that zip together stay together.
This is my dress I'm wearing to the dinner, and let's see this detail. Wow, wow. Does this mean you're going to take a picture with me, or what?
That's what it means.
You see how he wouldn't look up at me? Did you see that? It was a successful fitting.
Let's go, making moves. Gotta put it in sport mood, baby. Let's go.
This is what's in front of us, by the way. You guys stopped
Making major
traffic.
moves. You gotta down shift.
There's nowhere to go, but he's
You gotta want it. If you don't have the attitude of wanting it, you're not gonna get it.
Right. We actually got out of the fitting. That was like 2 hours, right? That's pretty good. So now we actually have enough time to go to the hair shop. Let's see. We'll see if we make it.
Got him.
So that bathroom was kind of stinky, huh?
Oh yeah, someone blew that shit up, and it was not me.
Well, wasn't you? No, you were not in
Usually
there.
it's me that
You
it
were
wasn't
not in
me.
there long enough. I mean, I did rely on John for color matching my hair as well.
What do you think? I'm stupid? I know how to fucking color match hair. I would know. That pony is it.
7-piece clip-in.
It's also cheaper than the 6-piece.
And
Sounds like a no-brainer if you ask me.
and then I got myself a clip-in ponytail as well, which I don't wear it this long. How long is this? This is 18 inches. That's like half my body.
So you're gonna
I
cut it.
think really long hair doesn't look good on me. Like really, really long.
Fitters check, hair check.
And guess what? Dinner's already made.
Wow.
Check. Although I will say I wish we could have eaten it fresh, not reheated, but maybe I'll just reheat it in the oven. Or does that recook it?
Whatever you choose to do, I will support.
Well, I was thinking maybe you could do the reheating process.
No, I don't want to.
Like you could do that part, you know what I
See, the
mean?
thing is,
Like you could
it's
you
your
could,
meal, and I don't
you
want to
could
ruin
step
it.
up and reheat it for us while I'm doing other shit, but maybe not.
No, it's your meal. I don't want to ruin it when you be like, oh, you reheat it wrong. You know what I mean? I want you to own it all the way through.
Probably because you'd put it on like
Broil.
nitro mode in the microwave and it would catch on fire.
Whatever you want to tell yourself.
All right.
All right, cheers, guys.
Nice.
These are the fitters, right, Katy? Mm-hmm. This is Katie's outfit for tonight, Zip Gang. So I have the option to either join her in this zip.
John has options. You guys.
I have the option to join her.
He's got options.
Yes. Join her on this zip quest or let her have the zip moment herself.
You're gonna spin it as you're gonna let me have the zip moment, but I know you really want to wear leopard print.
I really want to wear this.
You
this.
can say what it really is, John. Don't be scared.
Okay, on the rack, I don't know if I love this jacket so much, but on me, it's powerful. Either way, I'm gonna wear this and then these shoes. All right, just getting to the hotel. It's a hotel, but I believe we're going to the rooftop. We're being led by candlelight. Right this way. Okay, I didn't notice all the candles that are on the floor. Whoa, Jesus Christ, dude. All right, vlog update. I did a terrible job vlogging last night. I don't know what it was. It was kind of a high stress environment. Not really. It wasn't really that high stress. I don't know why I said that. It was normal. I tried out contacts last night and I couldn't see shit. Like they were painful. I think they were the wrong prescription. I kept like blinking. Like every time someone was talking to me, I was like blinking a lot. Katie says they probably just didn't fit my eye or something, but I took them out like halfway throughout the night and then I just couldn't see shit. So I couldn't see anything. There was no point in vlogging. Like I didn't know if things were gonna focus. it was all bad. You know, it was just bad. So tonight I'm gonna be having a glasses moment. I'm gonna be wearing my glasses with my suit. Fuck it, you know, I gotta be able to see shit. Life update, the dogs just got groomed. I'm gonna show you guys what the dogs look like. They're so fucking cute. They get these little bandanas at the place they go to, and that's what really sells it, you know? It's the bandana. Okay, this is Taz. Taz did not get groomed. Still looking good though, Taz. Looking very good. Let's see the bandana, Turb. No, come on, Turb. Turb, you're just always trying to sleep, dude. Looking very cute, my dude. Yellow looks really good on you, Turb. Mike always gets a red bandana. It goes really good with hers. Look at her curly paw. You look good, Mike. Looking really good. And then Zoe. What are those?
You know, I'm showing legs, so I can't wear socks that like add the lines. You know what I mean? That are like too tight.
Okay.
Oh my God, John, stop!
Zoe also got groomed, looking very good. Love the bandana. She gets more of like a flower print because she's a little bit more designer than the other dogs. Other than that, Katie's getting ready right now. She just got her hair done. Cindery came through and did her hair. At some point, I have to start getting ready. I'm kind of playing myself. It's like 3:30 right now. I think we have to leave here in like 5. Tonight is the Maleficent premiere. Small confession, I have not seen Maleficent 1. I don't watch a lot of movies, so I haven't seen the first one. I'm hoping you don't have to see 1 to see 2. I don't know. But I'm excited either way. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be a good time. Steve's gonna be there. I'm sure we'll have some popcorn together. I'm also obsessed with dips. Have you guys ever had those at movie theaters? Those are fucking good. Little ice cream things covered in chocolate like Nestle's Crunch. Jeez, whoo! I just discovered those. Where have I been?
What are you doing? John!
Why do you curl them like that?
Like this?
Yeah.
I don't know why.
All right, guys, we are ready. We're about to head out. Katie, looking beautiful as ever.
Is this not a 180 from the NARS trip or what?
Yeah.
Look at him. He's like, let's go. Let's go see some faces.
Let's go.
Hi, my name is Katie. I'm here at the Disney Maleficent premiere. I'm so excited to be here.
What up, girl? What up, girl? Is that you? What up, girl?
You know what today is, Cran?
Oh yeah.
First fall shopping day of the season.
Fall/Christmas.
That's right. I could have showered, I'm just saying. So if I'm steamy, if I'm smelling like steamed cauliflower, that's on you.
I'm pushing you over the next aisle.
That's on you. I'm just going to see what's out there, honestly. I appreciate fall decor, but I don't invest too heavily in fall decor because
It's too short of a time.
it's a very short period of time.
So it's Christmas though.
And I have so much Christmas crap that I don't really have enough space for fall crap as well. I'll do pumpkins though. Pumpkins are cute. I have steps now. Last year I didn't have any stairs.
Ooh,
I
Katy.
Right? You want to do like
You could do like major pumpkin stairs.
mage pumpkin stairs. My only thing is I feel like I have a lot of stairs.
You do.
And I would need like 300 pounds of pumpkins.
Well, but they're not real wide. So,
Yeah.
I mean, they're wide, but they're not super wide. So you can only do one side and you can do groups.
Yeah.
Like they don't have to do
Oh,
this.
yeah.
You do a group and a group and a group.
Well, you know it could be cute actually, since I don't have anything in my top planter. I don't have anything in the top planter.
Yeah.
I don't know where I was going with that, but I don't
know either.
I don't
have to
have.
say skeletons.
We could put skeletons
Post
in
some
there.
skeletons up there.
John doesn't like Halloween decor, so there's no.
I don't either, really. I mean,
There's no
it's
Halloween
cute,
decor allowed. It's only gourds.
But to me, I think when you put Halloween in it, that really shortens it up. Like this
Yeah.
can stay up until Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Right.
True. Okay, here we are. Ooh. Oh, we got a little pine needle spray. First sighting.
Usually really good. Once I put her up, then she really starts smelling.
You guys, look how LA my mom is. Look at this. Look at this. Look at how drapey this is. This is nice. Like this. Should I just stick some of this in my planters since my donkey tail wouldn't grow? Look at all these ribbon innovations. This is straight from the forest. Trying to think of what kind of theme I want to have in my living room. I thought this was cute for ribbon, you know, if you do it with white paper, but it might be a little bit too rustic. I always love a sparkle under the tree. I think it's so pretty. This kind of looks like our dose palette a little bit. I love this. I might just have to pick this up. These are cute. I'm into this. This is something I could get on board with. This is kind of entry table vibes.
They would actually fit on your shelf in the kitchen.
Wait, can we talk about this price point? Why is this $29? That can't be right.
I think it's carvable.
Shut up. We somehow ended up out of fall into holiday really quickly. That does smell good. Why don't you just get a big one? So I needed to find a fruit / produce basket for my countertop. I don't really like a lot of stuff on my counter, but this is nice. It's not like a full enclosed bowl. This would be cute for, you know, avocados, tomatoes. We've been here for like 4 hours already. Cran, my feet hurt. I'm tired. We've already seen these pumpkins. These pumpkins are dying now. That's how long we've been here. Look at it. It's dead. I'm starting to get hungry, just so you know.
Oh no.
Just throwing it out there. I get hangry now that I eat a lot of carbs again.
Do I have any gum?
Just be ready. Gum is not gonna cut it. Let me tell you that right now. All right, so we're looking for an apron. Pattern? Can you buy patterns anymore?
Yeah.
Do you remember, you guys, my mom used to sew dresses for me when I was... Do you remember that?
Of course I did.
And she used to make me hair bows.
Hated them all.
Did I cry?
You didn't cry, but you didn't like it. And I made them soft too. They weren't like crunchy.
I've always been a comfort girl, is what you're saying.
Yes.
Wait, I remember when we used to go to the fabric store looking at all the patterns.
Does it bring back memories?
It does bring back memories. This looks
Right.
like some shit you put me in right here.
Shut up.
This is kind of cute.
This is a good pattern because it's got
This is
a bunch of them.
cute. It's like a little I Love Lucy. So how do we do this? M2947. I feel like I'm in a library. Oh, I found it. Oh my gosh. This is so exciting. This is exciting. 8 great looks, 1 easy pattern. $11.99, Cran. How do you feel about that price point?
I think it's a lot. It used to be $2.
Because you gotta buy the pattern, the fabric,
Right, you gotta buy everything. But
and the sewing machine because you don't have one
I
anymore.
have to buy one of those too.
This is gonna be the world's most expensive apron, I think. Okay, we decided, which is very not like us, by the way, to try the Starbucks pumpkin cream cold brew, but no vanilla syrup because we don't like syrup, and light on the foam because I think that's where all the sugar's at, and I just don't really like coffee that sweet. Neither do you. You don't like sweet coffee at all.
No, but wait till you taste this.
Is it so good? Hey man, slow down!
Not bad, huh?
It's good. It's cute. It's very cute.
Very cute.
Back home, and look how cute. These are the pairs that I got from Hobby Lobby. They look really real, don't they? This is a good pair. So I just threw these in this bowl. This is from Target a while ago. That's just been kind of sitting here. Love that, but you guys, these stems, I've been looking for stems, branches, whatever you want to call it, to put in this vase for literally like 6 months, maybe? Something that didn't look too tropical, but also that didn't look like a full-on tree sticking out of this huge vase. And I found these at Target. These are the Hearth and Home brand. Oh, it's Hearth and Hand. Was I saying Hearth and Home? Yes. Okay, Hearth and Hand. Oopsie. And now all I need is something to put down there. Maybe something a little bit bigger. Let me show you this. This is the basket bowl thing that I got from Hobby Lobby as well for my produce. What do you think?
So making it clap, huh?
I had to get them.
Yeah, you kind of have.
I'm not even the kind of person to buy this kind of stuff.
Yeah, they're cute.
I needed it.
I give you a hand for it.
All right, guys, I think that's it for this week's vlog. We're about to make some dinner. Do you love that they're mittens? This is not like the most ridiculous thing ever. I love them so much. They're probably gonna get a lot of use. More fall action coming soon, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Side note, I just got a letter from the census.
Shut up.